Good morning, everybody. I am Laura Fife, and welcome to the Figment 6-Minute Writing Wellspring Mini Workshop. This morning, we're going to have a think about characterisation. And continuing on from the theme yesterday of focusing on you, we're going to have a think about the idea that people are complicated. We don't just have the one side to us. We don't always just have the two sides to us. But this morning's prompt comes from one of my favourite poets, Caroline Bird, who did a workshop with the BBC, and it was called The Two Sides of Me. So we can all be conflicted sometimes, and we have the two sides of us can be in conflict about how we act about certain things. So this is a really useful exercise to use to reflect on you, but it can also be used to help you with a character in a novel or in a short story as well, to help you sink into them and you get to them a little bit better too. So your two sides of me is your prompt for this morning. So have a think about perhaps how you would act in different situations and how you are with different people and how you are at home and with food. I usually come back to food, to be honest. But anything you like, anything goes. As ever, just keep writing, writing, writing. Don't stop. If it does turn into a poem, what Caroline Bird's advice is in the prompt, and I've included the link on the description here, is if it starts to rhyme, try and break away from the rhyme, because then sometimes the rhyme can start to control you and control what you're writing, and you just want to let yourself go as much as possible. Okay, so the two sides of me, I'm going to time you for 6 minutes. I'm going to time us all for 6 minutes. At the end of the 6 minutes, if you want to keep writing, then just ignore me, and just ignore me generally if you want to, and just keep writing. Okay, so your 6 minutes, keep writing. Don't worry about editing or any of these sorts of things. Anything goes. There's no right or wrong. You're not going to be sharing your writing with anybody until you're ready, so there's no pressure at all. This is just a bit of time just for you. So your 6 minutes on the prompt, the two sides of me, begins now. Okay, everybody, that is your 6 minutes up. I hope that has been fun. I hope it has been illuminating, and I hope it's given you a little seed of something that you can take and develop into something further if you like. And if you don't like, then it's been something there for you just to reflect on. Tomorrow we'll do something a little bit different. If anybody has any suggestions about anything that you would like to do, then feel free to suggest them here now or send me a little message. And for Monday, what I would like you to do is have a little think about your favourite songs or your favourite song lyrics. I was having a conversation with a friend yesterday, and I'm going to put on Monday a little quote that she used that really made me think about songs and about the stories that songs can make us think about and lead us into. I've also on Facebook been doing the seven albums. Post the cover of an album once a day for 7 days, and it's really made me think about music and some of the music that I've loved over the years. So for Monday, have a listen to music, have a listen to the lyrics, and I would like you to come and share with us on Monday morning a lyric that you love, and we'll be using our lyrics to be inspired by. So, yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, Friday morning, for day 25. Wow, I can't believe that's been 25 days already. Thank you for joining us. Those of you who've been able to join us for most of them, thank you for that. And those of you who've been able to just dip in, thank you for joining us as and when you could make it. I'll see you tomorrow morning, and yeah, have a think about your music for Monday. Look forward to seeing you then. Bye.